These routine checks prevent the most common filling machine stoppages. The issue is usually inconsistent fill levels, foaming, product giveaway, and slow manual changeovers. When this is ignored, the machine can look busy while the line is still losing output, product, or operator time. The cost is not only the reject pack. It is rework, cleaning, stoppages, missed orders, and operators compensating for a process that should be controlled by the machinery. The practical check is simple: show the product, container, filling head, pump choice, and fill accuracy check. Do this before you choose the final machine specification, not after the machine has been installed. Technically, fill accuracy depends on product behavior, viscosity, nozzle choice, pump type, and the way containers are controlled under the filling heads. That is why two products that appear similar can need very different machinery setups. Typical applications include food, cosmetics, chemical, personal care, and pharmaceutical-style bottle filling projects. The right solution depends on your product, pack format, output target, and the level of automation you want to reach. If you are comparing packaging machinery, send Lansing UK your product, container, closure, label, or pack format, required output, and any videos of your current process. We can help you review the right route before you spend money on the wrong machine.